Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next we'll be making this beautiful toy. So you can see we have made a star-like shape. So for that we'll be needing a paper, fold it like this from the sides. Press it. Now you have to cut it from the top. Now you have to make a star-like shape. So you can see how we are making the creases on it. Now keep folding it as shown in the video and then we have to press it like this all together. Put them together as shown in the video like this. Now we have to spread it by folding it inwards. So you can see how we are folding it inwards and give it a shape like this. Now keep folding it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to take the paper bag. So we have to make this purse. So we need a paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. So you can see how we are folding it. Keep folding it as shown in the video like this. Now after that, we have to press it from the between, fold it from the top like this and keep making the frills like this or the creases you can say. Now after folding it, you have to fix it like this inwards. Put it. Now press the paper like this and again fold it and fix it. Now fix it over the purse like this and put it from the sides. Make its handle like this and your purse is ready. Next we'll be making this beautiful box. So for that we'll be taking this paper, fold it like this from these sides and press it. Now after that you have to fold it and spread the paper after making the creases. Now you can see how we are folding it like this. So press the paper together and make the shape like this. Press it backward. Now we have to fold the paper back like this. Now fold it from the sides. Now put the paper again and fold it like this. You can see how we have done it. Now after that you have to fold the paper and make the space in the between like this by spreading it and your beautiful box is ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be making this beautiful box. So for that, we'll be needing the paper like this and make the frills over it or the creases and then make the frills like this. So you can see how we are folding it from the sides. Now, after that, we have to again give the creases over it like this and press it. Now, after that, fix them into each other from the sides and then fold it from the top like this and close it by pressing it as shown in the video. So you can see how we are fixing it and make the space on the top like this. Now, put it like this and close it and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to take the paper like this and make the boxes. So you can see how we have taken the paper, fold it from the top like this. Turn the paper and again fold it. Press it from the sides. Now we have to turn the paper and again open it like this and then fold it from all the sides like this. Now fix them like this by making the shape on the sides. So for that, first we need to make the creases over it so that it bends properly. Now we have to fix it by folding it as shown in the video. Put them inwards and then fix it. Following the same step for the other side, you have to fix it in the same manner. Make few more as such and put them together over the layers like this and it's done. Next we'll be making this beautiful box. So take a paper and then you have to fold it from the sides like this. You can see how we are folding it. Now after folding it, we have to fix it like this. Now we have to press it from the sides and then we have to put them like this by putting them into each other. Fold it from the top like this and again spread it from the between and make a box. Now you have to take another paper to make its cover. So you have to take it and fold it like this. Now press them and fix them from the sides over the box and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.